My name is Omar Gosh, and you are watching the Omar Gosh.
What's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great day today. I did something a little bit different today with my video, and if you didn't notice, to notice a difference, you're gonna have to go on your settings and put high definition, and it's gonna show 60p, I think. So yeah, like 1080 and then 60 frames per second. Let me know if you like it. It's kind of like, I don't know, the movement, there's so many more shots, you know, like 60 frames per second versus what I usually shoot in is 24 frames per second. There's a bus that just came in right now, so the kids are late on the bus. I'm gonna have Ethan walk with them. It's probably the most dishonest thing I've ever done in my life. They will not excuse a tardy if you you know, go in with a parent.
I think the bus is empty.
Is it? If a parent walks in with their kids here, they will not excuse the tardy unless you have like a doctor's note, or, you know, I just turn my car over on the interstate kind of excuse. And all these parents, you know, going with their kids in there, it's just as much as good as you just dropping your kid off on the front, because they're not going to excuse the tardy.
Yeah, there's no one on the bus.
There's no one on the bus?
Yeah, I'll go.
I'm sorry, man. Okay, well, now he's 3 minutes late. Good morning, guys. They've been nice to me. They haven't bit my ear yet. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Ow! Yeah, I like the lights off. Loving my new workspace. You guys like it too, huh? I kind of let the birds chill over there. I just picked up some fan mail. It's the only bit of fan mail that I had, but it's okay. Fan mail is fan mail, and I love fan mail. And this is from England. You guys want to help me open it? What are you doing? Don't mess with my hat. The Omar Gosh and family. I'm so loving your channel, and I love the fun and positivity you give out in all your videos. Keep up the amazing work you do. I look forward. Amazing work you do. Okay. Keep up the amazing work you do. I look forward to more content. There you go. Check it out. I have a couple guests coming to stay with me today. I got my buddy James from Boca Raton. He's actually coming in on a train, so I gotta pick him up. I'm not sure where I have to pick him up. I'll know later. My buddy Dylan's coming over, and I'll get him when I get Ethan from school. And I also, I think, have John coming over, so I kind of didn't tell my wife about this though. It's gonna be a fun weekend, minus the bird poop on my shirt right now. Oh no, you guys are so messy. That is the reason why I change my shirt throughout the day, if you're wondering. It's these guys. Having a little lunch here with wifey. Sonny's has really good smoked wings. They're not fried, which is great, so you want to try one? Smell it. It smells so good.
I wouldn't want to be going to your house tonight or something.
What does it smell like? It smells like a wing? I didn't know wings have a smell. Here's our complete meal. Melissa has some cornbread and some ribs. What is that, potato salad? Cold slaw. And I have some pulled chicken, barbecue, beans, and some broccoli. And I skipped out on the garlic bread and cornbread. Reason why I skipped out on the bread is it does this to me. Beans for you? Yeah, Melissa might be suffering in the car there.
Not me, I won't be in the car with you.
If you don't have to go number 2 after you eat, then you ate good. I am in the bathroom though, but I went number 1, I didn't go number 2. It's my jam right here. I'm gonna get a copyright strike for that. Big shout out to all 13 people here hanging out. And yeah, there's Melanie, dose of Omar fan there, and there's Aaron and Albine, and go ahead, say hi. Hey Laura, and Ariel, Timmy. Show yourselves, damn it, show yourselves. Hi vlog, hi vlog. You should touch my phone right now. It's like super hot. Hey, by the way, I don't know if you guys can see that. It's like a little tiny crack because I was laying in bed with my phone and Melissa, she heard a noise. I think it was thunder. She heard some thunder outside and she was like, oh, oh, and I went like this. And then my phone fell on the ground and I got a crack on my screen. My battery just fell out, but it was kind of useful. I was doing a YouNow broadcast right now and wow, I mean my battery was already low, but good thing I have a spare. Look at this guy here, he's driving. It's been a long time, brother.
I know, 2 weeks.
Guess who's coming over this weekend?
Yeah.
James.
He is?
Yeah.
He's coming down here?
Well, I have to pick him up from the train station.
Oh,
Yeah.
sweet.
After we leave here. I hate traffic. Oh, there's an accident up there. I'm here like doing the pee-pee dance. Imagine if we get into a car accident and you have to like go diarrhea or go pee-pee. Let's see. Oh, it's just a little scratch. Come on, just hand each other your phone numbers and let's go. There is the train station, but I think I made a wrong turn. I think that's the train that James just got off of right now. It was right on time, boy. He called me at 5:30 on the dot. There's a lot of nightlife out here. It's kind of like a mini Miami. Your horn works, bud. It definitely works.
What's up, homie?
What up?
A nice cut. Let me see.
Thank you, thank you. What do you think? It's my barber done it. I was gonna wait to
looks
make
good.
you do it, but
No, it looks nice. Hey, this place looks cool. Look.
it is. This is awesome.
Let's get a look inside. Oh, cool. Yeah, this definitely looks like a historic train station. I wonder if people do stuff up there. Like maybe they have some offices or something. This place is freaking super cool.
You don't see that stuff.
I bet you there's ghosts in here.
I bet you there is.
There's a guy up there, like, he's probably cooking breakfast. Don't you hate when you forget that you have to go pee? I forgot that I have to pee. I'll be back. I'm gonna go pee pee. This is my really good friend James. He's in a couple of my videos. Mainly when I went to go visit him towards like Miami, Boca Raton area. I've never been on a passenger train. Have you ever been on a passenger train? I've always wanted to. I always dream about, you know, like how in the movies when the train's going by and the people like run on the side and they jump in, and it's like that would never happen, by the way, only in the movies. So
It was good though. It was a really good experience. I'll tell you one thing that was crazy. We started slowing down for about 10 minutes and we're literally going like 3 miles an hour probably. And I'm looking out of my window, just all of a sudden there's a white beat up old car that I swear was basically touching the train almost, but it was right on the train tracks, right off the train tracks.
Whoa.
The tires were buried in the mud, and I just thought it was weird. I'm like, oh man, that's a place to keep a car. 5 seconds later, there's 2 cops that are literally running down the train, and I'm like, okay,
they were running down the train.
They're running alongside the train, like toward where that car was. And then a second later, there's an intersection, a dead end, and there was 2 cop cars just parked there with their lights on. So apparently they were trying to pull this guy over. He took off on them, went right around the dead end, went down the train tracks, and that's why the train had to slow down, because I guess they thought it was gonna hit it. But the cops were running, man. And it was in the middle of nowhere. That's the crazy thing.
You know that nowhere can spell now here? And now you're here.
And now I'm here.
You're here.
I'm here.
Oh, how was it like in the inside? Did you take any pictures of like the?
I took a little bit. Yep, I took a couple.
Are they
funny.
Are they cool?
No.
You didn't take no pictures of the train,
No,
bro?
man, I should have.
Really? For
That's
Instagram?
Oh shit. You're right.
MySpace?
See, I'm not a social media guy.
MySpace.
My social media involves me probably looking up 2 things a week and looking up Omar Gosh and sharing Omar Gosh videos, which every fan should be doing, to be honest with you.
Hey, this guy really is in my top 5, I have to say. When I was hanging out with him, he would literally, like anybody we came in contact with, like the drive-through worker, person out on the street, Best Buy clerk, he would literally make them pull their phone out and subscribe to my channel. He'd be like, hey man, hey, this guy right here, he's a big YouTuber, and you need to be watching his videos.
And they all loved it, man. They all were into it too.
Yeah, they were.
They were?
I remember the people at GameStop were like, that's what you're supposed to do.
Yeah.
Because
I would never do that. Like, I don't know, I've never been that kind of guy that boasts, you know, like I would never be like, you know, hey, do you know who I am? Because I'm just another guy, man, honestly. I just love making YouTube videos, but I'm just another guy.
A lot of people appreciate that, appreciate the realism that YouTube is obviously lacking nowadays. Everybody kind of knows that.
That's true. And plus, why do you have to boast when you have, like, you know, real good friends that can boast for you?
There you go.
You know?
There you go. And I like doing that.
Are you gonna do it this weekend?
I'm definitely gonna do it this weekend, and
I'm gonna get some of it on my
I'm definitely
blog.
gonna do it this weekend a lot. And here's the thing: I love spreading the news of Omar Gosh, but even more, I like to try to embarrass him. Unfortunately, I haven't been able to yet. So that means I need to step up my game a little bit, I think.
This would be the second accident.
This reminds me when we were in Miami and we were driving out of there, and remember all those bikes came driving by us?
Dude, that was so cool. You know, I never even put that in a video.
Yeah,
I still have the footage. Oh, this must have just happened too. Oh, you guys gotta see this. Someone got decapitated. Look at that. The guy's head fell off. Oh, her head fell off too.
Man, that's a fender bender.
Hashtag Lance Stewart.
I'm gonna show you the other side. She's doing such a awesome job.
Those are her trophies.
Oh, really? Sweet.
There's a few. I got tons of them in my garage. And
Look at all those colors, man. That's pretty sweet.
yeah, it's chalk.
That's from
Yeah,
chalk?
isn't that crazy?
Love it.
Yeah. And then that photo I did, those 2 are my photos. And
You're a photographer?
Yeah.
Oh, sweet.
I don't know. And then I painted this one over here. Really cool shoes.
What's wrong?
Skateboard.
Oh, the skateboard? That's dope.
Thanks.
Those are my first Converse. You wanna know where I got them from?
Ross. First pair?
Yeah.
Holy moly.
Why'd you get those?
I had them for a while.
Did you?
I got them at Ross on discounted. I paid like $20, 20 or 30 bucks.
Are you still doing your Facebook live stream?
Yeah, I am.
Yeah.
Yeah,
What's up?
he wrote you.
Who? You the man, dude. I'm proud to be. Oh, thanks, Steven.
I didn't pay $50. I paid, I think I want to say 23 or 30 bucks for
Whoa.
Yeah.
Those are bootleg Converse.
No, those are Converse All-Star, buddy.
Bootlegs. Those are bootlegs. Look, you even
Yeah,
got
you
some.
can't air 'em.
You got some dog poopy on them.
Whatever.
So, supposedly she makes movies. I'm gonna find out what kind of movies when I open this cabinet up here.
Yeah, right there. That's the DVD.
Cool. Do you got these
Super
on?
Twisted.
You got them on YouTube or anything?
No, but we are starting. We're getting a distribution deal, and it will be on, I think, the Amazon Fire probably before the end of the year.
Oh, so these are like
Or Amazon Prime, I'm sorry.
legit horror flicks.
It's well, that's the only one that we made, but yeah, it's pretty. It's I would say it's more fucked up and disturbing than necessarily like horror. It's not like a gore fest type of a movie, but it's just really like it's just super fucked up. Not for everybody.
Say goodbye.
Bye.
Bye. Have fun getting poked with needles for several hours. Look, it's so like clean. I mean, it almost looks like a spa. This is where I go and get my work done. I actually had a video that I made here with Mike Crump. That was his name. He's really cool guy. Yeah, he's my artist. But yeah, place is amazing. Okay, we gotta go now. I'm gonna get some pizza for the kids. I'm contemplating on whether or not I should. No, I don't want to eat pizza. I've been eating really good lately. I don't want to mess it up. What a small world. Are you smoking a joint in front of your daughter?
Yeah, it's a joint.
How are you?
Nobody in here.
I just seen somebody back there. You have a ghost back there.
The ghost is already with us then, huh?
Oh, I swear I seen somebody moving back there.
Oh, is this where she's getting her tattoo?
Yeah.
I've been watching her live.
You were watching her live?
Yeah. What's the red underneath of it? What is that? Is that a heart?
No, that's blood.
Oh, I was trying to figure out what that was.
No, it's like a flower or something.
Oh, okay.
This is the Marie from the G team.
Hey, guys.
She hunts ghosts and stuff.
Pokemon ghost hunting.
Yeah. The only time I didn't bring my camera, I left it in the car. I seen something cool. I gotta show you. What in the world is that?
It's a hickory thorned devil.
It's harmless.
It's caterpillar.
Caterpillar?
Yeah.
So it turns into a moth.
Holy
Yeah, it digs underground.
crap.
Unlike most other
Yeah,
caterpillars.
they don't make
Under
it.
the ground.
Yes, it
Yeah.
doesn't make it. Oh, really?
Is she like for sale or something?
No. I'm just
Okay.
grabbing them, holding them around with
He's
me.
gonna grow up to be an anthropologist, I swear.
I can hold in everything.
Yeah, we looked it up online. I mean, I wouldn't let my son have anything that was going to harm him, even though I used to have an exotic pet store and had my venomous license and all that. No.
Hey, you wanna film like a viral video? Like put that on someone's pillow or something?
Ooh, that would be a good one for your brother.
Yeah.
Freak out.
You might kill it though.
Yeah, I don't want to.
Right? Someone would
We're going to
smash
let
it.
it loose on
Their spikes aren't really dangerous at all.
Do the spikes, or is it rough?
Can you put your
light closer to it? Put my
There you go.
Thank you. Wow. Look, you caught a Pokemon.
Yeah.
Yeah. Real life pokey
I want
caterpillar.
to feel it, but I'm scared.
It's fine, it won't hurt you.
Caterpie.
Just be gentle
Oh,
with
they
it.
are sharp. It's like a hedgehog.
It's not very sharp at all. It's just little things to
Look
scare
at
them.
these. Whoa.
The reason why I jumped is I pushed in on the spikes a little bit, so he's
That
like,
thing
hey,
is creepy.
So it's completely harmless, but it has that
There we
for...
go.
deterring predators so they don't get eaten.
Where are you going to let it go at?
Near my house.
He wants to keep it. Cool, man. Thanks for showing them to
Like
me.
we had
I've never seen anything like that
Yeah.
around here.
Me either.
You got that around here? I just got a buttload of pizza. I don't know. Maybe I'll have just one piece. Crazy bread is the best. They put like garlic and Parmesan here. Say ah. Mmm. Mmm. Oh yeah. Definitely can't eat this every day. Folks, have a good night. I'm gonna give you a garlicky kiss. Okay?